Hello, I'm Sarah with Guardian Wheels. Today I'll be showing you how to adjust a chain on a 2017 Kawasaki Ninja ZX1000. I've never done this yet. I got the bike at 500 miles and now it is at 5,000 miles, and so it's very loose. First, we're going to measure the chain to see how much slack it has. I'm going to bring the chain all the way up, put the measuring tape right here on the edge, hold it in place, bring the chain down, apply a little pressure on it, and it is at about 2 inches. Okay. I will be tightening it up to about 1 inch. You want to take the measurements while it's on the ground on the kickstand. Next, go on and put it on a stand. Once you have the bike up, you will have to loosen these bolts. There's one right here and one on the other side. So let's go on and loosen them up. Okay. Once you get those loose, this right here, this came with the bike, had a little toolkit under the seat. Just gonna go on and take this, and you're gonna have to tighten it clockwise. Don't want to go too much because it tightens up very easily. Let's do something. Oh yeah. That's about where it was. And go over here and kind of get a measurement, just get an idea, because I'm going to turn it up a little bit more. Now once it's back down on the ground, I'm going to re-measure it. Okay. About right. Now once you, that does, okay. Now there's little notches right here. You want to go on and make sure it matches up to the other side. So I'm going to do that right there. Matches up. You're gonna need a torque wrench. First, I'm gonna go on and tighten these up a little bit. Just, you know, to even it up a little bit. And then we're gonna go on and torque it. It needs to be torqued down at 48 foot-pounds. I already have it set. It's at 45, and then you add 3 with the dial, 48. Okay. So a little there you go. Nothing a woman can't do. All right, now y'all set. You can bring the bike down. Make sure the kickstand's still down. All right, I lowered the bike, I remeasured it, and it's a little bit more loose than I'd like. I want it at 1 inch, and it is about 1.5. So I'm gonna go on and tighten it up just a little bit. All right. Once you got those torqued down, perfect.
I'm not pausing it.
Okay. There's the neighbor again. Wonder what we my husband's videoing this and laughing. This is my first video, you guys. So let me know what you think. Go on and drop a comment and give me your thoughts. Please be nice to me. Ride on and stay safe. Okay, I'm gonna work with that.